got something. I think it's just a small flatty. Yep. Are you kidding? That was a disaster. He swung through a loop in the net. Now the line's tangled around it. Yeah, he's a 55 flatty. Let him go. He was warm. The water's pretty warm. I thought that was playing up weird then. I didn't feel this fish bite. I just picked it up on the drop. It's got to be a flatty. He swallowed that. Absolutely swallowed it. Ah, that's a good. He made it. There you go. Off you go, Jack. See ya. He's gone. This is just a small flatty. Jumps out of the net. Yeah, just a small flatty. He's about just under 50. Off you go, mate. Righto, this is a flatty. Definitely a flatty, it just went thud. I don't think it's huge, probably about 50. Oh no, it's a bit bigger than that. Oh. Actually, he's probably over 70, that baby. Anyway, we'll get him out and have a look at him. Yeah, so he's 75. Good. We'll let her go. See you, mate. Are you kidding? That's the second red rock cod I've got. You are joking. Who catches a red rock cod in the lake? That's twice. Off you go. This will be a flatty. What's this? What is this? Who catches a red rock cod in the lake? Are you kidding? I've just got a red rock cod in the lake. That's a first for me. Didn't even know they existed in the lake. I don't want you to spite me, mate. See ya.